And for the automatic feeding, we have also marked for different diameters of tubes. You can see here is 40 mm diameter, here is 50 mm diameter. You can refer to it and adjust the position of the hopper. And for testing the machine, you could first set a smaller post speed. So when you go to the menu screen and to run the machine, you can see when you run the post, it will rotate slower so that you could go each station. It will run. And you will first test the feeding tube position. For example, you can see this output one is right in the middle, then the position is good. So now you will test this one, you will test this position, if this one will feed right in the feed tube holder. So you will go to this one to first press the cylinder. This cylinder will come to clamp the tube, and then you will press the upper cylinder. Then it will go down, and you can see now if the tube. You can see, use your hand to see if the tube could be fitted while in the holder. So now because we have already set it, so if this one could not be fitted while in the tube holder, you will need to adjust here. This tube, these 4 screws are moving this one front and back, and these four are moving left and these 4 are moving left and right. Okay, and now because we have already fixed it, so the tube could be fed. You can press cylinder, it will feed the tube in the holder. So it's right there. And after that, you can release the press cylinder, and then release the piston that fixes the tube, and then you go back to upper cylinder. So it will go back to the original position to feed the next tube. Now this one has already been set.